Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another experience. Today we are talking on a very important topic, that how to decrease your auto insurance or how to get a cheap auto insurance. So let's get started. So many of you must have been having these kind of questions, that how to get a cheap auto insurance, how can your car insurance decrease, or why is your car insurance so high. So I will tell you certain tips and tricks on how to decrease your insurance. Please stay along till the end of the video. Okay, so in Canada, it works according to how much experience do you have in driving, and which license do you have. So if you have G2, your insurance will be a bit higher than a person who has a G. So it depends upon that as well. And in order to find the best insurance for you, what I would suggest is, first of all, do a complete research for your auto insurance. Do not go with the first insurance that you get or first quote that you get from any of the insurance providers. So please always do a complete research of what options do you have, because there are tremendous amount of insurance providers over here. There are lots of agents, those who give you good deals. They give you quotes on your auto insurance. For the same company, one insurance provider could give you a more quote, and one insurance provider could give you a less quote, like less amount quote. So it depends on insurance provider as well as the insurance broker that you are getting insurance from. So you have to understand that as well. And just do not go with the first insurance quote that you get. There are certain online platforms that from which you can get your insurances, like Onlia, Bell Direct, and many others. But I would suggest to go with any of the insurance brokers rather than going online, because insurance brokers can provide you a better deal than online insurance companies, because online quotes are way high than the quotes that the insurance brokers give, because insurance brokers have access to different kinds of information that they can change in your information. Like suppose if you have previous back home, and that you can use that experience as well. But online you do not have any option to apply any experience that you have back home. So there are certain things that you have to consider, and I would always suggest you to go with with a physical insurance broker rather than any other online platform. And definitely you can search for other platforms as well online, but I would suggest to go with a physical insurance broker. So which insurance company is the best for your auto insurance? There are many insurance companies over here in Canada, but there is no such suggestions for all the, there is no specific suggestion for the best insurance companies. There are huge companies like Bell Direct, Intact Insurance, Aviva, Venetia Insurance. There are certain insurance companies that are huge over here, and you can always search for them. As well as there are insurance companies that provide you a less amount of like a quote for insurance premium. Those work as well. It doesn't matter on which, like, you need to have a big company insurance. You can have any company insurance over here for your auto. What all things matter for your insurance premium? Things matter is, what experience do you have, which license do you have, like G or G1, G2 or G. It matters which car do you have, because the more the safer the car, the less will be the insurance premium. Because the less safer car would be, like, if the car has 2 airbags and one of the car has 5 airbags, the insurance premium for 5 airbag car would be less for the insurance premium for the 2 airbag car, because that car is more safer, because the chances of you surviving in the bigger car, or like the car that has 5 airbags, would be more than the chances of you surviving in the smaller car. So this also depends, and how much does the cost of the car is. Suppose if you are having a small car like Hyundai or like Honda Civic or any other car, the insurance would be less. If you have a high expensive car, like suppose you have a Dodge Challenger, or maybe you have Range Rover, that kind of cars always have a high insurance, because their spare parts are expensive, they're repaired, their maintenance is expensive. So the insurance providers check all these stuffs, and they provide you the premium for that. They also check how long have you been driving in Canada, because driving experience in Canada also matters. So every year they check if you got any tickets, if you got any speeding tickets, any parking tickets. So all these tickets also matter. If you get those tickets, your insurance goes up. So please make sure you do not get these insurance. Follow the law, and your insurance will definitely go down. My insurance went $150 down in 1 year. Yes, in 1 year. I did all the research and everything. I didn't have any parking tickets. I didn't have any criminal records or any accidents at my fault. So it was my insurance went down. So there is one more thing that you have to consider, that you should not have any collisions or any accident at your fault. So if then also your insurance goes high. So there are certain hacks that I'm going to tell you to decrease your insurance. So first hack would be, always ask if they have any bundle discount. So bundle discount could be, if you get your auto insurance or your house insurance together, they give you a bundle discount that you took lots of policies over there. Usually the bundle discount always gives you less premium joint, like both the insurances give you a less premium rather than just taking the auto insurance. Suppose if your auto insurance is $300 and your bundle insurance and your home insurance is like suppose $50, they give you a $100 bundle discount, so your auto plus home could be $250. I'm just giving this is just an hypothetical situation, this is just an example, but that could be possible. Just make sure you always ask for bundle discount if you are eligible for that. Okay, number 2, so if you drive your car in winters, that is always the possibility that you will drive cars in winters. In Canada there is a lot of snow, so always ask them if your car if your car has winter tires or if your car has all season tires, would that make a difference for your insurance premium. If you have winter tires, some insurance providers give you a discount that your car would be more safer in winters since you are having winter tires. I think the time period is between mid of December or end of December till 1st of March. It is that 3 months gap. So the insurance provider will provide you the time period according to your insurance company that they are giving quote for. So always ask them if the insurance would go down if they have winter tires. Usually people have winter tires if your car is 4x4, or if you have all-wheel drive, you don't necessarily need to have a winter tire in your car. You can use all-season tire as well. Number 3, always ask them if there is any option for install any app on your car system or on your phone that can help you reduce your insurance premium as well. So how does that app work? So there is some insurance companies provide you an option to download an app on your phone that actually analyzes how you drive your car, how often do you brake, how much acceleration do you hit, and they analyze that. They do not take your any personal data, they just analyze how you drive your car. You have an option to just press that you're not driving, you're a passenger. You can do that as well. If so one of the options could be like you get that app and then you just always keep it on passenger side, and you just have to fill. There are certain hours that you have to finish in 6 months, and after 6 months they give you a discount. Like one of the insurance companies actually gave me a discount of 15%. 15% is a huge amount at the end of the 6 months because I drove the car properly. So that you can do as well. Fourth hack would be that is not applicable to everybody. If you are a student or you are still studying, either it is high school, either it is your college or university, you can ask the insurance broker to check your availability, that if they could get a good student discount, a good student level. A good student discount is when you're applying for insurance, they check that do you score more than 80% of your marks in last given examinations. If you have more than 80% of marks, they give you like a $50 or $25 discount as well. So you should always ask that as well. If you are a student, you could be eligible for that as well. So that is one of the secrets that nobody knows, that you can apply if you are a student. So I think I have covered all the points and all the hacks that you could use to decrease your insurance, auto insurance. And please subscribe to my channel for more informative stuff as well as fun stuff coming up. And please let me know in the comment sections what would you like to know in Canada life experiences. If you have any questions, if you have any problems having in daily life, just let me know in the comment section. I would like to help you and maybe make a video about that. Thank you.